Have you ever noticed that our new cell phones don't fit our rear pants pockets anymore? Well, anyways, I'm going to basically extend our rear pants pocket so that actually fit these larger cell phones like the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 like I have, or even the larger iPhone Max, whatever it is. So anyways, like I did on this gray one, I actually had it extended for about an inch, so it actually covers it and it won't fall out of my pants pocket. And also it's a little bit, feels a little more safer too. And here's the results. This is the before, where it sticks out like 40%. Now it's completely covered and in there. So we'll go over this. We're actually going to add about an inch and a half to it, and we're going to take it off the new pants I bought. I'm just going to cut off the bottom hem and use that. We have a Brother 7000 series sewing machine that we're using. It's awesome. We got that a few months ago. And what we're doing right now is first dethreading the pant pocket. This is about an inch off the top so that we can actually add length to the fabric and then add it as if it was like extension of that fabric. So this is probably one of the hardest parts is dethreading. You just get the dethreading tool and just start slowly taking off the thread, and it goes faster. I think we did total of 5 pants that we bought new, and what I did was that I started dethreading all of them first, and then then my mom and I basically both sewed these things back on, so which is really cool. Now you have to make sure they're all clean, all old threads taken off. There's no old particles or anything like that. You want it nice and clean. You also want to dethread the top hem of that pocket so that we could extend the fabric. So it's actually pretty cool. It started off taking about like 10 minutes the first time, but then it started going to about like 3 or 4 minutes as you get the hang of using a dethreading tool. So I'm new to this, so this, if I could do it, you could do it too. So anyways, taking this off, that's another thing. When we bought these pants, we actually bought, I bought an extra long pants to get the hem. And we're going to rehem the bottom part of these pants anyways. So we kept the bottom part of the pants hemmed up and used that directly. So there it is, dethreaded. We added the fabric on the top of it, and it's going to add about 1.5 inches to that current one. So we're taking about almost 4 inches off of it. So if you're buying super long pants, make sure you mark it first and before you cut. And as you can see, we're putting it, overlaying it underneath, and we're just going to add on to it by sewing that part on. So we're sewing, now this is like probably our 4th one we did. So we're sewing the top part on first, and we're using the Brother CS7000i. This makes it so easy because what it does is that it's so well put together that we just have to do it, and the needle and stuff just works really well. We also have a Singer sewing machine too, but that's for heavy duty fabric, which we really don't need. If this was like jeans, we'll probably use that one. But this Brother CS7000i, awesome. It basically goes through, like, you do 90% of all your sewing with this machine, and that's why we love it so much. Anyways, we actually added the additional piece. We basically had to hem, we put 2 layers of thread there, and of course, we put another bar to put and also put anchor points for the sides as well, just like how they had it in the original. We actually just used the original sewing pattern that they had before and just did reversals and stuff so that it's super strong at where the anchor points are on the top of the pocket. You guys check that out and see it on the pocket itself, the original one. They actually put multiple runs of thread there so that's anchored down. And of course we traced back the entire pocket all the way down so that it's reinforced so these larger cell phones won't fall out. And we are folding in a little bit more of a seam so that it's a little stronger. And of course we're holding it down and just letting it run through. But yeah, it takes skill, but after you do 1 or 2 of these, it's pretty cool. We got a bunch of these pants that were on sale. These were the weatherproof Weatherflex pants. I really love it. It's good for travel and everything, and also has a very light material and it's easy to work with, which is nice. Of course, you could use cotton and the other ones, or if you didn't have extra long pants, you could of course use another pair of pants that has a similar type of fabric, and that'll be great. But yeah, the Brother can actually handle it pretty well. So here's the end result. It's all covered up all the way there. It's almost like it's almost 7 inches deep for these pockets. Anyways, guys, it's SterlingW. I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.